Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. This is your Islamiyat unit and I am your teacher Miss Amreen. Today's our topic is ethics. Islam is a complete code of life. It teaches us to pray, pay zakat and perform hajj. It explains the importance of being kind, honest, truthful, generous and polite. It instructs us to live with simplicity and modesty. It teaches us the ways by which we can live with all people in brotherhood and peace. Honesty. Honesty is very important for a healthy and happy society. If a few people are dishonest, an adverse effect is felt by others around them. This happens because people lose faith in each other and look upon others with distrust and suspicions. Islam accepts its followers to carry on their daily affairs with fairness and honesty. A believer who is honest and does not cheat people shall enter paradise. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have said, "A man who has no honesty has no faith." This saying of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, means that dishonest people are excluded from the brotherhood of Muslims. Kindness. Kindness is an attribute of Allah. Islam lays great emphasis upon its followers to adopt this quality. The Holy Quran says, "Do thou good as Allah has been good to thee." The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Be kind and do not be harsh." Allah Himself, kind and merciful, Rahman and Rahim. Therefore, He loves those who are kind and merciful towards His creatures. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Show kindness to the creatures on earth so that Allah may be kind to you." The life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is an example of the quality of kindness. He always treated all the people with compassion and never showed harshness even to his enemies. Due to this, he was loved by all. He is reported to have said, "Allah is not kind to him who is not kind to people." This saying of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, shows that if we want kindness from Allah for ourselves, we should be kind not only to Muslim but to people of other religions as well. Hope you all have understood. Now coming towards the assignment. Today's assignment is question, what does Islam teach us? Make sure your work should be neat and clean. Have a nice day.